Namaskar, I am Aishwarya Hegde. I'm an Odissi dancer based in Oman, Muscat, and I've had the privilege and honor to be a part of the Pravasi Bharatiya Divas celebration in Odisha. I was invited as a cultural ambassador from Oman for my work of promoting Odissi dance in Muscat. PBD is a wonderful platform for artists like us or anybody who is doing anything contributing to the Indian diaspora living outside India. PBD is a way to connect us back to India. As Indians living outside India, we sometimes struggle to make a connection back home, while we spend all our energy and time trying to make connections with our adopted home. So PBD, it feels like homecoming for all of us who are here today. Odisha is of course home for me because of Odissi being my line of work. And what has been wonderful this time is to meet so many panelists who have come from different parts of the world. And what was arranged beautifully is all the tourist attractions and the ease of being able to go and come back. I felt very proud telling all my panelists to go to different places that I have been to in Odisha before, telling them to experience the real richness of this beautiful state. Odissi is a slow learning, beautiful process, and I encourage all of my students to travel to India, specifically to Odisha, to experience the richness of this art form. My goal through my dance is to make dance a very experiential learning, because when a student performs in India and they come here is when they really understand the relevance of the art form. So my constant work has been in the direction to promote my students to travel to India and perform here. Dance is the universal language of joy. Whichever language you are speaking, whichever country you come from, every country celebrates through dance. And India has 8 languages of dance, Odissi being one of them. While you learn your mother tongue, while you learn the language that you live in, the country that you live in, it's also very important to understand that Indian culture doesn't only speak with words, but we have so many different ways to connect with the world. Dance has been my tool to connect with the world, and whatever is your tool, since it's so deeply ingrained in heritage of so many years, every one of you must find your roots and try to connect to your roots through arts.